Hello children, good morning. Children, today we will be taking part 11. That means lesson 8. पेड़ लगाओ of Hindi. Okay. पेड़ लगाओ means what? Trees. Plant more trees. Why should we plant? There are always, we will be listening these slogans and the sayings that we need to plant more trees and we should never cut down the trees. Why? Because we need to protect our nature. If we are protecting our nature, our environment will be clean, and in turn when we are keeping our environment clean and healthy, in that way we are keeping ourselves healthy, right? Because with the plants and trees produce the oxygen which we are breathing. If we are cutting down the tree, so what do you think we are going to breathe? Without oxygen we cannot survive, right? So plants are the main source of the resource from which we are getting the oxygen. If we are cutting down the trees, then indirectly we are cutting down the the oxygen. Okay, then we have to keep an oxygen cylinder of our back. We have to carry, each and every person have to carry the oxygen cylinder on our back if we are cutting down the trees. So instead of doing this all, we need to plant trees near our home and nearby the open places. Okay, so let's take up how the children are encouraging everyone through the poem. पेड़ लगाओ. Everyone open page number 65. पेड़ लगाओ, सारे मिलकर पेड़ लगाओ. पेड़ों से हमें ऑक्सीजन मिलती जिससे हम जिंदा रहते हैं. That means we are getting the oxygen. हमको ऑक्सीजन पेड़ों से मिल रहा है जिससे हम जिंदा रह रहे हैं. जिंदा रहने का मतलब क्या है? We are able to survive. We are able to live. पेड़ों से हमें मिलती छाया, ठंडी हवा इनसे मिलती है. पेड़ों से हमें मिलती छाया means what? We are getting the shade. छाया का मतलब क्या है? Shade. If we are going traveling somewhere and if we wanted to rest, of course, in the cities we do not find such big trees under which we can rest for some time. But in the villages we can find more trees. So we can also come across the situations where some of the people, some of the travelers will rest themselves under the shade of the tree, right children? And also many of the birds and animals like monkeys, squirrels, they survive on the trees. They stay on the trees. They build the nest or they live in the holes of the tree barks, tree trunks. पेड़ों से हमें मिलती छाया, ठंडी हवा इनसे मिलती है. We'll also get the cool air and breeze from the trees. पेड़ों से हमें मिलते कपड़े जिससे तन को ढकते हैं. कपड़े means what? We'll get some of the clothes. See, we can take an example of the early man. They used to wear only the leaves around them. Okay, to cover their body, they used to wear leaves, bigger leaves, जिससे तन को ढकते हैं. They'll cover the bodies. पेड़ों से हमें मिलती औषधियाँ. औषधियाँ का मतलब क्या है? Medicine. Okay, you can see all the meanings are given in the next page in the English. औषधियाँ, medicine, जिससे बीमारी भागती है. All the diseases will run away with the plant medicine. Some are there, like there are some medicinal plants also like tulsi, neem, ashwagandha and I think eucalyptus and all. These are the medicinal plants. पेड़ों से हमें मिलती पुस्तक. That means our books are also made with the trees. How? They'll cut down the bark of the trees and they'll make it in the factories, in the machineries of the factories. They'll make the paste and on the flat surface they'll make the papers. Okay children. पेड़ों से हमें मिलती पुस्तक जिससे पढ़कर ज्ञान बढ़ाते हैं. Will increase our knowledge and wisdom from the books. पेड़ों से हमें मिलती वर्षा. With the help of trees only we are getting the rains. Because when the trees move, their branches with the wind, then only the clouds will scatter and we are getting the rains. जिससे फसल उगते हैं. when we are getting the rains, then only our crops are growing, right children? All the plants and the crops, food crops will grow. हर जन को यही समझाओ, पेड़ लगाओ, पेड़ लगाओ. Not only you need to, this concept you need to explain to your little siblings and to your elder people and to your friends also, that we need to plant more trees. So here I will be reciting the poem once again. You guys read after me, and after completion of the reading part, you record your voice and send it to me. पेड़ लगाओ, सारे मिलकर पेड़ लगाओ. पेड़ों से हमें ऑक्सीजन मिलती, जिससे हम जिंदा रहते हैं. पेड़ों से हमें मिलती छाया, ठंडी हवा इनसे मिलती है. पेड़ों से हमें मिलते कपड़े, जिससे तन को ढकते हैं. पेड़ों से हमें मिलती औषधियाँ, जिससे बीमारी भगाते हैं. पेड़ों से हमें मिलती पुस्तक, जिसे पढ़कर ज्ञान बढ़ाते हैं. पेड़ों से हमें मिलती वर्षा, जिससे फसल उगाते हैं. हर जन को यही समझाओ, पेड़ लगाओ, पेड़ लगाओ. Okay children, plant more and more trees. See how in the picture we can see how beautifully the two children are, one boy is planting the tree and another girl is watering the plant. Okay, planting the plant over here, sorry I said tree. Now related to this, you will not be having any question answers. So for you, after reading the poem, send it to me, and here you go through the meanings. Go through the meanings, and this one you practice words. पेड़, ऑक्सीजन, जिंदा, छाया, हवा, ठंडी, बीमारी, औषधियाँ, पुस्तक. Okay, this one. Then this one you match. Match the Hindi words with English one. Whatever you are writing in the textbook, you need to take out the pic and send it to me, children. Okay. This one also you need to complete the lines of the poem. Here, this one, and this one. Next comes Sahi Shabd Par Gola Laga. Here, he had given two words. Which word in the two given words, which word has the correct spelling? You need to put the circle. Okay. Next, this one you need to make the words by joining the letters. Okay. So you will not be having any question answers. Then here you color the picture and write down something. Color the picture and write why it is important to grow the trees. Okay, why it is important, write down the poem here. Half year, half year. Okay, draw the line and write down. Okay children? Chalo. Then up to here we have completed our term 2. We'll start in term 3, we'll be having the lesson 12. Okay children? Bye bye. Take care.